Hi there, and welcome to the New Way Health Meal Garden. In this video, I'm going to explain why the coaches at New Way Health have incorporated a meal garden into their practice and how that meal garden is uniquely designed to support your success. The reason the New Way Health coaches have incorporated a meal garden into their practice is because they recognize that the goals and plans that you co-create with them during your sessions, your success with those goals and plans is highly dependent on your ability to incorporate them into your daily life. And that's what Meal Garden does. Now, you can find other tools that would help you do that. Other meal planning tools, recipe inspirations, grocery shopping applications, all these things. But Meal Garden is tailored and personalized to your specific goals and plans. You don't need to worry about whether a recipe supports the goals and objectives that you've co-created during your session with your health coach. You just can get in there and start using it, knowing that the content is reviewed and approved by registered dietitians and further personalized by your health coach to match the objectives that you're looking to achieve. Meal Garden is very easy to use. When you log in, it will be configured to support your unique needs and characteristics, and it makes it really easy to plan meals, to shop for meals, and to change those meals as your needs require. In addition, Meal Garden is an on-the-go tool. You can think of it as having your health coach in your pocket. You can launch it on your phone. There's a shopping list that you can take with you. You can add items to it. It's automatically connected to your meal plan, so you don't need to worry about missing things or forgetting things. And if something changes during your day, you can quickly adjust your plan to reflect that change, knowing that the meals and snacks that are being suggested still support your goals and objectives. At the end of the day, the coaches at New Way Health have chosen to incorporate a meal garden to help you build lasting habits and change your life.